Hello everyone, welcome to Python series, Python exercise practice solution starting from the basic. And in this video I'm sharing the code with you guys, how you print the documents of the Python built-in function. So let's coding. Simply you say print abs dot double underscore 1 2 doc underscore this one, Control S. Let me clean this console and simply run. As you can see, it's returning the absolute value of the argument. So the source code is available in my GitHub account, and in the description below you can find. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe Great Coding channel, and some fun. Okay, bye.